Okay, so one of the questions I get a lot is, how do I win high-value clients? Where do I get them from? So to illustrate it, I'm going to actually use this quadrant on the board right now. And if you have a look, we'll look up here. There are people that know who you are. There are people that don't know who you are. There are people that don't know they've actually got a problem. And there are people that have a problem. Okay, and they know it. So if we have a look at the people that know you, it's generally your clients. Okay, they know you quite well. People that don't know you, generally leads, prospects, your market, you've never met with them, they don't know who you are. And then over here on the left, if we turn around and look at these people over here that don't have a problem and don't know who you are, then very hard to sell to. Who's the easiest person to sell to, or who are the easiest people that are going to basically take a 10K package from you if you want to start selling 10K packages and start having clients that are worth 10K, 15K, 20K? They're certainly going to be sitting in here, aren't they? This is where your high value clients are going to be, because A, they know who you are, B, they know they've got a problem, and they know you've got a solution for them. So that's where you sell your 10K or 15K or 20K plus packages, all right? A lot easier. If you actually have a look at those clients, your relationship will be stronger, it'll be closer, you're in regular communication with them, and they are generally happier, and they don't have any issues passing the money over to you. But where's the second best place to find high value clients? Well, what about the ones that don't have it, know they've got a problem? Quadrant number 2, all right? They're generally on compliance only. They're not going to turn around and take a 10K package from you, all right, which is going to offer a solution if they don't know they've got a problem. So that's why this place here is the easiest place to actually sell into, as far as, or the next easiest place to sell high value packages into, because all you need to do is actually engage them, communicate with them, ask them some more questions, and get them to identify the problems they've got. And if it's not a problem, then it could be an aspiration or a goal they want to achieve that they're not achieving right now. So you can actually help them do that by delivering these services. So you need to transition them over to here. But you will not transition them into a high-value client until they know they've got a problem or a goal that you can help them achieve, and how those services are going to relate to that. So that there would have to be your second best way to win a high-value client. If you come down to quadrant 4, the people that actually don't know they've got a problem and they don't even know you exist, I mean, how difficult is that going to be to get them to want a high-value package from you? I mean, it's impossible. And that's what a lot of accountants are doing. They're out there doing all this social media and all this marketing, all these Google AdWords, and still complaining that they're getting low-value clients. Well, that's because they don't really know who you are. They don't know they've got a problem. So even if they do manage to make it into this quadrant here, they're not spending a lot of money. They don't want anything more. So what you've got to do when you actually start your marketing in here is transition them over to this point here. Now, if you can do this right with your social media, with your Google AdWords and your marketing and your messaging, and actually have the right message and start getting these people to identify they've got a problem, even if they don't know you, you at least want to get them over here to acknowledge the fact that they've got a problem. Now, this is the cool part. This is the bit you're going to really love, all right? Once they start to know you and you put them into your CRM system and you start educating them on these problems and how you've got the solution to them, they bypass this part and go straight up into here. So that is the key to actually winning high-value clients. This is your hardest part. This is your easiest part. This is the second easiest, third easiest. Your job is to get these people, your current clients, from quadrant 2 into quadrant 1. And for your general marketing for people that don't know you, your first step is to get them from not knowing they've got a problem to acknowledging they've got a problem. Until you get to this point here, they will not transition into here at all. So the best way to do that, again, as we've talked about, is having a CRM system to communicate, educate them on the problems that they've got. They get interested in that. You start nurturing them and looking after them and giving them solutions and giving examples of how you've helped other people overcome that. All of a sudden, your value goes up. They become someone who knows you and knows they've got a problem. They move into quadrant 1. Happy days.